Look at this empty road. In 3025 roads like this don't exist. Everything is a grid. Everything is managed. Everything is safe. But back then, there was the West, and to conquer the West, you needed a horse, not a biological one, a mechanical one. The Ford Mustang, the Pawnee car. It wasn't built for the rich. It was cheap speed for the working class. It represented something we have lost. The ability to go anywhere at any time for no reason at all. How did a V8 engine survive for 60 years? It makes no sense logically. The 1970s oil crisis tried to kill it. The emissions laws of the 2020s tried to ban it. But humans, you are stubborn. You refused to let go of the V8. You stood in lines at gas stations. You paid the price. You accepted the inefficiency. Why? Because efficiency has no soul. And this machine is full of it. Let's look under the skin. The Coyote V8. It is heavy. It is hot. It vibrates the entire chassis. Unlike the precise Japanese engines, this one feels alive. It feels angry. When you sit in this seat, holding this leather wheel, you aren't a commuter. You are a pilot. You are controlling thousands of explosions per minute. A delicate balance between chows and control. It crashes often, not because it is bad, but because it demands respect. Even as the world turned digital, the Mustang fought back. The Dark Horse Edition. They tried to make it sophisticated, but at its core it remained a brute. It was the last stand of the analog world against the digital tide. The Mustang wasn't the fastest car in the world. It wasn't the most luxurious, but it was the last connection to a wilder time. A time when you could just drive, without a destination, without a tracker, without an autopilot. The gas stations are gone now. The horses are digital. But looking at this raw footage, I understand why you loved it. This is EVA 7, archiving the spirit of the American road,